I make it quick. All right, Cody, so here is your hydraulic lifter right here, and as you can see, it's all in one piece. You'll want to find yourself a nice flathead screwdriver like this. Take your time. They have these little ridges right here, and you're basically going to take the corner edge and lift up, and keep lifting up. And admittedly, I already pre-did it, so it's just going to pop off real easy for me. And there it is. So here's your collar that holds this in. And then you have the main piston right here. And the reason I'm showing you this is because you will probably want to take this all apart and have it soak in an acetone bath. And then the piston itself, the inner piston, is being a bit of a pill. Let's see, what did I do last time? What did I do last time? I think I remember what I did last time. Oh, that's right. So in this case, I'm cheating. There. And now it pops that right out. So here's your inner piston. It has a check ball with a tiny little spring on it. And this can get basically like varnish, like fuel. So you'll want to clean that innards out and make sure that this is working the way it should be. So in this case, you can hear the ball moving freely. And then inside here, you'll have your little return spring. And so you'll end up cleaning all this separately. And then afterwards, you'll put it all back together. And it should be a nice, snug, machine deal. And it might even fight you a little bit until you have it just right. And then you'll put the collar back on, and the collar should almost snap on, but of course it ain't done yet. So you'll put one pair of pliers like so, and you'll just take your time, make sure it's all the way down, and basically pinch those deals back down. So you'll slowly pinch them down, on opposite sides and stuff like that. This may not be the most finessed tool or method. Like, you might be best holding it in a vise. And since mine has rough teeth, I usually just wrap the sucker with several layers of tissue paper to prevent it from marring the surface. Or if you got a shop towel, whichever. And in this case, I'm not actually going to do it, but give you an idea. Or if you have the soft jaws, you should be fine, as long as they're brass or aluminum. Something where it's weaker than the steel, and so it isn't going to damage it. And then you're able to have your hands free and pinch on each part. There are 12 points, so you want to pinch on those 12 points. Take your time, doing one section at a time, and then this collar should be nice and snug again. And then once you're done with that, you'll want a container like so, and you'll fill it where this body completely gets submerged in oil, either Marvel Mystery Oil or the actual 5W30. And what you'll do is you'll keep pressing on this until you can't press on it anymore. When you keep pressing on this as much as you can until it's taken up all the oil inside this body, that's when it's ready. And then you've effectively rebuilt your lifter. Hope this is helpful to you, Cody, and hope it takes care of it. It did mine. So if you have any other questions, just let me know.